Right, guys, it's always an interesting sight to witness artists, reminiscing or watching their old music. Boy Octave, how you doing, man?
Doing good,
How do you feel watching that?
Oh, Charlie. You say me some old stuff, so I feel like, bro.
Yeah, but as I was saying, right, when you see these things and you see your current work, you see your growth, you measure yourself.
Exactly.
Because it was always good from the start, you're like, where is the growth? And every single artist looks at their old work and it's like, bro, I could have done this better. You know, I could.
Exactly.
Man, yeah.
Exactly.
Anyways, I'm very happy to have you here. It's been a couple of years since we spoke. Has it been years? Like a year or two?
It's been, I think, a year or two.
A year or two.
Yeah, a year or two.
Because you were here on MX Beats, right?
MX Beats, yeah.
And we had this conversation, and I'm very happy to see anyone, who's sticking to their guns, following their dreams.
Yeah.
So before we get to that period, of me talking to you, tell us a bit about yourself, man. Who are you, and what is your music about?
The name is BOYOCTAV, Boy Octave, and Charlie. My music, basically, I wouldn't say, I wouldn't give a particular this thing about my music, but I would say I draw inspiration from a whole lot of places, like almost everywhere. Sometimes, it could be colors, it could be anything.
Heartbreak.
So, you bar sometimes red safe will come to mind. I feel like maybe danger, blood, or in just anything. You bar black, black too has its own. Maybe sea blue. I may like to talk about elevation, maybe being in the skies, or like maybe high, or that kind of thing. So I did get inspiration from a whole lot of places.
How did you get into music?
Bro, I would say it be long story. I used to be in a church, but so I was singing. I learned the drums. So it be something. Music is something that has been a part of me. Yeah, right from, I would say.
Were people around you
right from birth
surprised when you took this to the next level professionally?
I'd say they weren't so much surprised though.
Okay.
Yeah, it be something that.
Yeah, because they saw it was a part of you.
Yeah, right from, I would say, JHS.
So when did you release your first official song?
My first official song, that was, I have so many songs, but the official song.
Can you remember your first song?
My first, bro, that shit, you really shit. I don't go feel do one for you, Seth. Yeah, but my first official song was in 2022.
Okay.
That was 2022.
Like that was like you outdooring yourself, so to speak, like bringing yourself out there.
Out there, yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. That was one song titled Medulla. Yeah, like Medulla
Okay.
Oblongata.
Okay.
Like, that
Okay.
kind of
Okay.
thing.
I like that.
Yeah.
You're a student in Legon.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's why you get swag like that. I have to shake you for that. Shout out to all my Legon boys. Legon, like, if you're looking for the guys, it's Legon boys. Like, everybody knows it. Even though some people try to deny it, they all know it's Legon boys.
No feed deny.
You understand? But they'll try to.
They'll try to.
Yeah, but like, we've got the swag, we've got everything. We've got it locked down.
Exactly, bro.
So you were doing this while you were in school. How was it for you being in school, releasing music, even though you had chased this dream before getting into university? Yes. How was it for you? Was it difficult? Was it easy? Were you just used to it?
I'd say I was used to it, but Charlie, combining music and, education, school, be very, very, like, I'd say music, they take your time. But education too, they take your time. So I wouldn't say it'd be easy. I didn't have it easy, and I'm still not having it easy. Yeah.
Has it in any way affected your grades?
Oh, like, I'll be honest. Like, one way or the other. Yeah, one way, but they try to fix things.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. I like that. I like the honesty. This is because you're a young man chasing these dreams, and I feel like you understand the importance, of education. Exactly. Obviously your parents would want you to do well. These are facts, right? How did they take to you making music, man? Were they cool with it?
They were cool with it. like they are cool with it now, but right from
Before?
the start, no, maybe. It was like.
Was it like how did those conversations go? Did they hear the music and like, oh, that sounds like my son? Or did you go to them like, Charlie, at this point, you have to know what I do in my spare time. You have to know what I want to do the rest, of my life,
Okay.
Again, so as a young man, how did those conversations come about?
Yeah, it was always a bit aggressive, because
Aggressive?
yeah,
Wow.
because right from the start, I could be making beats, then they would just come jaded, the
For real?
the plug and everything,
Yeah.
and yeah, sit me down, talk to me, that vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you let me ask you this.
They
At that-
liked.
At that point in your life,
Yeah, bro.
did you understand that they were doing that from a place of love? Because I talk to a lot of young people who go through this, right? And they're very angry. And what I tell them is, I know how you feel right now, but do you understand? You might not accept or want to deal with it, but do you understand how? At that point, did you understand, or were you like, nah, they just don't want you to chase your dreams?
I'd say I understood it in a way, because
Okay.
because of the way I was being brought up.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I knew maybe, they know the game, like music actually is, the game isn't easy. Like,
Yeah.
it's not something easy. And I have one of my big brothers, two of my brothers were into music before.
Okay. Oh.
So it was like, they are examples to you. They couldn't make it like where they were supposed to.
Okay.
So it was like, Charlie, it was so showing you,
Yeah,
like you get me,
like a litmus test, like this doesn't work out. Why you?
Why you do this? But yeah, I knew it was me. I took it as a purpose for my side. At first, I was seeing this I saw it just as a dream, but I got to know, so no, like when I was even combining church, I got to know, like, with the teachings and some things that happened in my own life, I felt like, no, this is like a purpose thing. Like, I shouldn't just take it normally.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
supposed to grab it.
Okay. I like that you said what you just said, because again, for young people, especially in our teens, we become very rebellious. That's a very rebellious time. We feel like we can take on the whole world. And parents, I feel like naturally parents want to protect. They don't want you to make the mistakes they made. That's why they do the things we do. They do. Sorry. So I'm sure when we are parents, we'll also be like, don't do this, don't do that. So we're also going to help our kids understand. But it always comes from a place of love, I think. And the good thing is, you stuck to your guns, and I'm hoping you still have a good relationship with your parents.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank God for that. Very important.
Yeah. They are the ones who've been supporting me. They
Nice
really
one.
support me.
Shout out to the parents, man. I always like shout out to them.
Spoiled.
Big celebration. You guys spoiled it. So going through all that now, 2022, we're in 2024. How's the journey been so far musically? Like the response from the fan base. How's that been?
I wouldn't say it has been easy. Yeah, like, challenges here and there. I've had some of the fans reach out to me, give me good vibes, show me, say, yeah, what I'm doing is good, like I'm on the right path.
Okay.
So yeah, make I not give up.
Okay.
And that has been, and one of the things I would say is even meeting you right here, like, that's one thing that shows me, say,
thank
Charlie,
you, man.
yeah, I'm on the right path, because
Nice,
I grew up watching
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
I'm always honored by that, man. Thank you, man.
yeah,
And I appreciate that, you appreciate
bro.
what I do.
For real,
Because
bro.
without people like you, I can't do what I do.
Exactly,
And now the
bro.
audience, who's going to listen to us when we speak,
exactly.
we're to a very large extent the mouthpiece for a lot of young people. So somebody watching this is also inspired by you, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice one.
Yeah,
And
I'm very grateful.
in terms of releasing your music, this year you released 2 songs,
Yeah, I've
right?
got 2
First one
songs
was in February. What was that one called?
That one was called Enemy in Disguise.
Wow, that's deep. What's that song about?
Enemy in Disguise. I was talking about a girl, like, it was basically about
True story.
Like,
Well, this is a safe space. This is a safe space, I'm a nice person. That's why people love talking to me. True story or not?
it be true story
Hey,
though, but
why
you
don't you
know,
story?
oh
Why don't you
yeah, I
story?
go talk to you, no be my story. Like it
Okay.
be somebody like in personal experience.
Boys, it never be about story. But I understand. I understand.
It can't be my story because, bro, you know, like I just say, nah, bro. Basically, the song is about, you know, a girl way they pretend say they love you, but you know, like
Bro.
be like Charlie.
Should they use you and
She they
things?
use you and things.
Yeah.
For your mind, she they use you.
You
But
bow.
maybe for you, your side, maybe you're showing her real love. But she for inside, she say maybe
Maybe you
she
get
gets
money
you.
or something, she gets you.
Yeah,
Bruh.
that kind of thing.
Love is murky right now, man. So,
I swear, bro.
bruh. Anyways, so you released that song. How was the response for that song, man?
I really love the response for that song.
Okay.
Yeah, a whole lot of my, I'd say some of my peers,
Okay.
my colleagues, my
Nice one.
artist friends, yeah, they actually gave me a heads up, say, yeah,
Nice one.
what I'm doing is good. Like the
Nice
song
one.
is nice.
Nice one.
And from the fan base, yeah. But the streams where, you know,
Yeah.
they need them.
Yeah. That's true. Streams very important,
It's
you
very
know.
important,
Okay, so after that, you released a new song, which you're actually promoting. You
Yeah,
released this,
bro.
what, 2-3 months ago?
Yeah,
Thereabout?
2-3 months
What's this one called?
This one is called Myself.
Tell me about this.
Myself. It's the,
I know it sounds very straightforward. It's like myself.
What else? Yeah. But myself is myself.
Because
It's a self-song.
the thing is, you can decide what parts of yourself to tell people. It can be the
Exactly.
deepest, darkest parts. It can be, you know, the parts everybody sees. So let me ask you this:
Yeah.
what parts of yourself are you putting out there?
Okay, I'd say there's a few dark side. Yeah, of maybe it's more or less like experiences that I've had.
Okay.
Yeah, with people, like, you know, relationships, like, not relationship as in
Yeah,
like
not
boy,
just
girl,
girls.
girl,
Yeah.
like,
Business, friendships.
friendships, and all
Okay,
that.
I get that. I get
Yeah.
that.
And it was actually geared towards, like, you know, soul stirring, like you give me
Yeah.
self celebration, and
Yeah.
you know, this be song where I would like say anybody will go listen and make it inspire and make it, if the person even has low self esteem,
Yeah.
at least make it boost the person.
Yeah. I asked my
that kind of-
previous guest, you know, something similar, you know, about being vulnerable.
Exactly.
Were you like, nah, I'm being too vulnerable, too open? Because again, this is a very, very dicey world we live in. You could be putting out the most beautiful thing, people take advantage of it. People are going to say what they want to say about what you put out there.
Exactly.
And now you're putting yourself, myself out
yeah.
there. So when you're putting this out there, listening to it before you release it, where you're like, this is a bit too much? Or are you at that point where it's like, nah, I'm ready to take on what the world is going to dish out?
Actually, I'd say I don't, when I'm writing songs, I don't really care about what the kind of message, like how deep I'm going into the message.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's about myself, I don't really care. I have to be real and
yeah.
honest. You get me?
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
you have people listening.
Okay, so this song is out there.
It's
So
already
on all
out there.
platforms,
On all
people can
platforms.
buy it, can support it.
Exactly.
We're going to play the visualizer after this, so people can listen to it.
Exactly.
Before you leave, what do you want to add, man? To people who are getting to know you, what do you want to tell them?
Oh, Charlie, I say, Charlie, I'm a man of vibes, Charlie.
Nice.
I get more vibes. I'm actually a producer and
Okay.
an artist. So, bro, for the
Yeah, they
music
should support
side,
this, right?
The music side,
It no be
it no be
problem.
joke, yeah. it no be joke. They should
Yeah.
watch out for this space. More stuff coming out. I have my new song coming out. It's called Umbrella. That's gonna be, I think, next month.
Okay.
So yeah.
Nice one. Nice one.
Crazy.
Thank you so much for coming
Charlie.
through, man.
Charlie,
It's always a
thanks.
blessing talking
Bless
to
up,
you. I
bro.
hope you come here some more, man. This is your home.
Oh, bro.
So
I will,
please.
oh, then me there, you will see.
Yeah, bro, come through.
see me for here all the time,
It's really inspiring to see young guys and girls, you know, following their dreams. And so please, find the music, buy it, support it. And when it comes to MX24, please go on our social media pages. We have so much we're up to, so many events from Crossatile to MX Beats, and it goes on and on. We're partnering with amazing artists. EL's Bar Concert, we're on there, on that, and we believe in you. Just want you to know, I believe in you. To anybody watching this who's going through a difficult time, whatever you're going through, I believe in you. Keep doing your thing. Bro, Octave, shout out to you again. Enjoy the music. Have a very wonderful afternoon.
For a long time now, I've been on low. Many people they ask me why I'm not a show. Money come out and money to the go. I mean, money papa, but it won't kill me on the low. So much in my mind. When you go down, it will die just free your mind. Can you see the light? I come on my feet, they feel alright. Oh, so much in my mind. When you go down, it will die just free your mind. Can you see the light? I come on my feet, they feel alright. Can never kill the vibes.